right, so something I've been wanting to do for a long time, since the beginning of this build. They just have not had it, and technically they still don't have it, but today we're gonna make it. And that's Baja style fenders for the 6th Gen 4runner. Check this out. Fender flares. I believe that these are 3.5 inches out. Don't quote me on that. For the whole thing. So there we go. There we have it. And this is going to replace my stock fenders and finally give me the look that I want, because I'm on a 3.5 long travel kit and I'm just so wide that, yeah, it looks cool, looks aggressive, but it just doesn't look proper. And especially coming from my last build where I had the right fenders on it, and you know what it looks like, it's just kind of always been a bit of an eyesore to me. It's something I always look at. So these, I cannot tell you how excited I am to get them. Now, here's the thing. These specifically are for the 4th Gen Tacoma. But I started looking around and thinking, and that's what gets me into trouble usually, or gives me all these ideas, is I was thinking that I could put these on the 6th Gen because the fenders are exactly the same. The 6th Gen 4runner and the 4th Gen Tacoma share so many of the same parts. It's the same front hood. I saw someone replace the front grills with each other, so the 4th Gen grill on the 6th Gen grill and vice versa. And I started looking at the fenders. I'm like, these are the same fenders. They also have the same headlights. So same hood, pretty much the same grill setup if you were to replace them, the front headlights, and yes, the front fenders as well. The Tacoma is literally a 4runner, or the 4runner is literally a Tacoma, just one has a bed and one doesn't have a bed. I swear. as much as like the body goes. So with that said, I'm gonna do this. So I did just put the snorkel on this one. It will be coming off for this. It's actually gonna be going on the Tacoma build, and this will be more the Baja look, and this will be the overland look, so it's kind of appropriate for the overland Tacoma. So there we are starting out here. And so I need to cut it right here. Right now it's not letting me have it sit flush. So I need to cut here. All right, so I got the first cut done. And I just got to figure out how I'm going to angle this thing to where I can make it look proper. If it's coming all the way out to here, and I'm for sure I'm going to be cutting this about just under here. But the question is, do I want to come from here and then curve it? Would that look weird? I don't know. We'll find out. This is all real time, by the way. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. the mock-up, and I cannot I am like giddy with how this looks, because to be honest, I've been waiting for these fenders since before I even got the truck. Once I got these type of fenders for the 5th gen, I feel like the build really came together, especially with the long travel kit, and this is exactly what this is missing. It just is making it look even more like a monster, and it's like proper now. I still have so much poke coming out. It's crazy. How do you like it? Speechless. How sick does that look?